Since being on the board over the last 4 years, I've learned a lot about Habitat and how they help the community, and I've really kind of created and evolved my business around community. So when I knew that Habitat had this land and wanting to make this a special opportunity for me, for them to collaborate together and create something super special for a family in need, that just became like my goal.
The Ray of Hope House is a symbol of hope, compassion, and the impact that the community can make when they come together to support a hardworking family in our community. Volunteers and donors are the only reason we're able to help make home ownership achievable for hardworking families in our communities. Without them, this wouldn't happen.
First thing that came to my mind when the Habitat Humanity project came about was...
I was just excited. I love working with Jill, so any excuse to work with her is amazing.
Especially for somebody in need of a new home. Especially working with my daughter and son. Putting together this project has been a lot of fun and excitement. I've been very pleased with the support that we've been getting from the community, and all the colleagues and vendors that I have been working with for all these years have all stepped up to the plate.
Just really seeing it come together, being there on site every day during the big parts of the project. I'm really thankful for the opportunity. I'm really excited to see this come together. And it's been a pleasure working with Jill, my father, Marissa, you, Jordan, Kristen, everybody. It's been a lot of fun.
I can't wait to see the family move in at the end. I love seeing projects come together and all the different moving pieces coming together, but especially for this one, I think the end result will be even better than a regular home that we're building, just to be able to see a deserving family move in and start their life and get a new chance.
This is a really amazing home because it has the capabilities for us to make it accessible for a family that has that special need. This is really exciting to have this opportunity and to be able to find a family that we can customize this home for. We have a couple of great applications right now that are still being considered. One is a family with a child who uses a wheelchair. Another is a family with an autistic child that has special needs that we might be able to accommodate in this house. Another is a hardworking single mom with a few children who's been through some really tough times. They're all great candidates. Right now, we're still looking to find the perfect homeowner for this house. We want to set homeowners up for success. So first, we need to see what we're able to accomplish through fundraising, and then we'll know how much this home is really going to cost. Our applications are open right now, not only for the Ray of Hope home, but we also have several other homes that we have open applications, and we're looking for hardworking homeowners.
We need the community to help build the Ray of Hope house. Step up with us and help make somebody's dreams come true.